What's going on, mother truckers? I had a few subscribers send me this, share me this, and all I have to say is I just thought it'd be a good educational moment. Definitely for all the new truck drivers out there and for all the ones that are always on your phone, looking at YouTube, TikTok, and all that. Well, first off, go follow Eddie Badger Bean on TikTok. He got some great information, some great dash cam videos. I have links down below. But if you see this dash cam right here, basically this truck driver making a right hand turn is supposed to yield, and the guy is not paying attention at all. I don't know what's in his mind, but he's not paying attention.
That's a yield, you stupid. Holy shit, brother.
Well, look at this and look at this close call, and all I have to say is I definitely would have pooped in my pants. That's all I have to say. To all the new truck drivers out there and to the ones that are always distracted, definitely at that intersection, you got to yield, man. Mother truckers, comment down below. Let me know if you've ever been in a similar situation, or bust yourself out and let me know if you were the one that was actually making that right turn and not yielding and not looking left.